Hey, Brew Crew, Brewer here. Welcome back to another edition of the Trade Update. Getting right into it, on Apple, we have our 475-490 call ratio just hanging out. Look, here's the thing. If Apple rallies hard for the rest of the week, this spread is going to expand nicely. All right, let's take a look at the options chain right now. Right now, the 15-point wide at the money call ratio, which would be roughly the 460-475 call ratio, is trading for about 320 because you have the 460 going for about 6 and the 475 going for about 1.4. So 6 minus 1.4 minus 1.4 is 3.2. This means, okay, if Apple moves up to 475, we can approximate that the 475-490 call ratio is going to be trading at about 320. That's huge because this spread was put on for like 60 cents. But Apple does need to break out soon because we have just 3 more days. If not, I'm going to make an adjustment to harvest back 60 cents from somewhere so this trade ends up with 0 debit. Remember, I'm minimizing my downside. I put this on for a 60-cent debit and I want to pay absolutely nothing for being wrong. Nothing. That's what I'm all about. And CHWY, this one is just going, all right? That's what we like. It really is headed up to the top of this range. We have just a few more points to go before we hit 60, and our deltas are still positive here, which is good. This one, I'm just holding because it's looking great. No adjustments here. And something that I didn't tweet out because I didn't get to do it in real time, but is in our chat room, is we put on a call ratio in Adobe, the 475-490 1x2 call ratio for about 49 cents debit, expiring this Friday. I really like how this closed above that trend line, and we actually peaked above this high over here. I think if the market continues to remain sideways, we might actually just slowly dribble higher. Obviously, since this was put on for a slight debit, I'm going to manage this to reduce that debit as much as I can if it doesn't work out. And a quick look at the markets. So it's interesting to note that today we had this sort of look above and fail action, but instead of rotating all the way to the bottom of this large balance area, we stopped right at the VPOC and then reversed back up. And we created this range larger than yesterday's and just meandered higher. So it just goes to show how unsure the market is. We're just trending sideways to up with very little conviction. So keep that in mind and carry this data point forward. Again, like I mentioned, cautiously bullish except on select stocks, probably like something in NDX because, the breakout here does look clean. I think the relative strength here continues. And even if you're bullish, okay, always look to reduce that debit for whatever position you have on. Anyway, that's all for today. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it down below and feel free to join us by checking out the links to our Twitter, Discord, and Twitch down in the description below. Again, it's all free. We share our thoughts and setups and analysis and trades, entries, exits, all of that good stuff. It's all free. Everyone just chilling, having a good time, sharing things with each other, good vibes. All right. But for now, stay safe, Brew Crew, and we'll catch you in the next video. Cheers.